Good morning, everyone. It is day 3 of my fast. My kids woke me up at 5 in the morning, so I've been up for a while. And I thought I've already done a round of Wim Hof breathing. If you need to know how to do that, I do have some tutorial videos. You can just scroll through the search history. Don't mind the crypto ones. I'm going to get rid of those because they don't really apply to the channel anymore. And I thought I'd just do a morning weigh-in and kind of show you how much I've lost in 2.5 days of fasting. Remember, I started at 166.2 pounds, and now let's do a weigh-in. So I'm gonna just stand on the scale and zoom in on here. This is holding a phone, mind you. You see that? So 160 pounds, 160.4 pounds. Started at 166.2. Pretty much lost 6 pounds in 2.5 days. So, you don't have to fast long to start seeing some of the benefits of fasting. You just have to be disciplined to drink your water, drink your snake juice if you need to do that, and to know your body, right? If you're getting so angry and cranky, that's a part of fasting. If you're taking it out on your kids or your spouse or whatever, your coworkers, you got to reconsider a few things, but it's best if you can just take a few quiet minutes and pray, ask God to help you, just seek your heart and just say, okay, I'm going to feel a bit cranky and angry because of the hunger, but I know that's going to pass soon. I should probably pee on a keto stick and show it to you guys that I'm most likely in ketosis now. I haven't checked that yet. I'll probably do that a little later today, and I'll show you that it should be a dark purple, showing that I'm in ketosis. And I'll just show you my chest again. You can see up here, these are the spots that come up, but they're also all throughout the hair, and it gets so itchy. And the scalp's probably been the problem that's lasted the longest. But this flare up, which you can see, it's pretty gross. I can't even take my kids to the pool because of it, because the hot tub flares it up, and I really don't want to be walking around in public just with that rash everywhere. So I believe that it's less itchy already, and within a few more days it's going to start disappearing rapidly, so long as I continue with prayer, trusting God, treating my body right, staying fasted, and as well as doing the Wim Hof breathing in the cold showers. Now, don't take the Wim Hof and cold showers as a spiritual thing, because I don't. It's actually been studied, it's been researched at universities. It shows an increase in epinephrine levels, it shows an increase in your immunity, it shows your sympathetic nervous system almost being controlled by your conscious, almost through the breathing, making your body alkaline. It's quite an interesting thing. Check his channel out, man. He's got a lot of testimonies on people healing a lot of health issues as a result. He's become quite famous now after being on Joe Rogan podcast, Lewis Howes podcast, a number of others. Travels the world teaching his method. I don't do it for anything spiritual. I just do it for health benefits, and I keep my mind focused on Jesus, because that's who I am. But thanks for tuning in, guys. You can see 2.5 days, I'm down 6 pounds, and we'll see how long we can keep this going. Cheers.